That's some good news. I didn't shit my pants today. So that's awesome. Also, apparently, I finally hit puberty. I'm breaking out like crazy for some reason. Yeah, good times. I got a message from a viewer a couple weeks ago, Jake in Canada. He's a woodworker or carpenter. He's an artist, and he's the owner, operator of Elementz Woodworking, and sent me a message, asked if he could send me a hat. I looked at his Instagram and his Facebook, saw the work that he did, and yeah, I'd be proud to. He's truly an artist, and the stuff he does is amazing. So, got my hat today. Cool people just leave the sticker on, right? That's the thing? Or is that just from when I was a kid? I don't know. Miss the flex fits. They're so nice. That is awesome. So check the description for links to his Facebook and his Instagram. Look at some of his work. It's pretty damn impressive. And thanks for the hat, Jake. Appreciate it. It's black, too. Thursday the 14th. I haven't been doing much filming this week. It's been the first, hot week. And the bosses, I think, have just been having us do smaller jobs. And with the heat, when I get home, I've just been so freaking worn out that I didn't really feel like doing any work. But got off at a decent time today. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. Started them the other night. Since that night, though, I actually did 6 20-inch bars out of the pile. I'm not going to film this, but there's been quite a few comments and people asking for bar maintenance video, so I'll be doing that at a later date. I just need to get these done. So I got those done, but took a little longer than I was thinking. It's now 7. I think I'm done in the garage for the night. Right, Saturday the 16th, hottest day of the year. Currently 96, but I've already seen it at 99. Gotta put some more time in at the parents' new place. And today Keith is actually getting married. I was supposed to go, but I had some shit I had to deal with. Life happens. Sorry, Keith, and congratulations to Keith and Sky. I needed to sharpen that chain. Alright, now I'm a little pissed off because it's really fucking awesome when your coworkers push their lunch boxes on top of your gear and freaking leak ice water all over shit and don't tell you. So now you got a bunch of rust on your fucking files. Fucking shit. Hey, thanks guys. I had to switch out my set of work chains with my set of home chains, so I had to file this one down with some nice rusty files. Let's see how it does. I have a friend that's going through a rough time right now. I'm pretty much giving away every dime I have to help out. But, money comes and money goes. It's worth my peace of mind and being able to sleep at night knowing that her and the kids have a roof over their head still. What I was getting at is, happy Father's Day, Dad. 'Cause I can't buy you anything, so you get labor. So I just got done raking and cleaning all that up, or shifting our focus to the left. Ultimately, you need to get that dead locust out of there, but I gotta clear all that undergrowth out first. That's a whole lot of work in itself, so I'll just be happy to get that done by the end of today. Family. So we got this catalpa growing in there, and I'm not really sure what my mom wants to do with it. If she's planning on leaving it or taking it out, I don't know. I gotta give her a call. Out of gas. Pops is here now. They did a survey, and that locust is actually just outside of their property line, so it's this shopping center's. But he's wanting to build a garage right here, so it definitely needs to come down before they do that, seeing as how it's dead. That won't be a freebie. Done over there for the moment. You want to clean up some of this fence line. All right, about to go dump. Do a quick walk through. Still a lot of work to be done. What the hell are you bringing in chairs for, Mom? You're still working. Oh, that's working out. That's a beautiful color. So I get back to work myself. Alright, made a little dent. Not that you'd really be able to tell. Got everything into that trailer too. This is my buddy's place on the river. It's rare that I ever ask to dump here, but it's a freebie job for my parents, so. And they just hold big bonfires every once in a while. But he has some ginormous cottonwoods here. Look at that thing. Probably a good 4-foot diameter. Quite the leaner over there. I'll go take a walk over there in a bit. These guys. Looks like I had the dominant stem or maybe a co-dominant knocked out at some point. Give you like a sense of scale how big this thing is. Another ginormous one. I think looks good. Isn't it healthy, full canopy? Yeah. Another big storm damaged one. And this thing, I want to say he actually had this measured at one time, and I believe the trunk at the base, although it's hard to tell with all that growth, is actually 8 foot across. The thing is gnarly, huge. Yeah, the thing is massive. That's never a good sign on this thing. It's probably gonna fall over soon. Already getting cracking in there. Another huge one. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of sapwood still sending nutrients up. There's some, but all the tension's gonna be on this back side. You can see they're already hollow and decayed on the inside, and it's got cracking right there. It'll probably go soon. Doesn't have a whole lot of side lane though, so it may just stay like that for quite some time. Not a completely full canopy either, so the sail effect isn't quite as bad, although it's still going to be huge because it's a big tree. If it was next to anything, I'd be worried about it, but it's not, so. All right, I think I'm done for the day and done for the weekend. I need to give my body at least one day off. Kind of having a hard time getting used to the heat and everything again. Definitely feeling it. And with that, have a good one, humans. I'm not a cool kid. Much better. Am I still going? Oh, shit. Oops.